I'm a citizen by default, not by blood. You ain't got no issue with me. I'm from Jamaica. Do what you need to do. When you're leaving, just drop me back. Drop me at the nearest island. You know what? Since Brexit, they have been saying, get these people out of their country. Now is the time to leave. Now is actually the time to leave. Guys, it's time to leave. They've been saying we need to leave. They've been saying that there's too much migration. There's too many people here anyway. It's time. All of us need to just pack up and leave.
Am I reading? Putin's first caller to fight in the armed forces if UK goes to war with Russia. You've lost your whole mind. Because if you think I'm fighting for this country, you've lost the plot. I wasn't even born here, so I'm taking the first flight out. You've been telling me to go back to where I came from. I will go back. Because I don't see why I am fighting. I am not fighting for no one. Sort it out yourself. And when I tell you first class, I mean first class. I'm gone. I'm fucking gone. I can see you, man, are beefing over there, yeah? You do your thing, let me do my thing and leave. Because trust me when I say
because to a certain demographic, the colour of my skin don't make me British, so I can't participate.
I'm a citizen by default, not by blood. You from Jamaica.
Good look though. All these years being looked at as not British. Yeah, keep that same energy.
This is your sign to leave the UK right now.
Look to me. All you white supremacists that love to scream, go back to your country, you lot are coming here and taking our... Send me back. Send me back. Send me and my family right back. We will pack our bags, we will go quietly. I'm happy to go back to Iran. I'm happy to go back to Grenada. Either one, drop me up. Preferably Grenada. Love a good beach.